Welcome to 100 Mercury Court in Havre de Grace. Tucked away at the end of a cul-de-sac, this lovely brick rancher offers newer roof, windows, garage door and utilities. This home has been modestly updated over the years and still offers many of the original characters of the era, like the wood-paneled doors and framing. Large front covered patio overlooks a beautiful front-level yard with shade tree. Enter this home through the full glass storm door and welcoming lead glass front door. As you enter this home, you are entering into the large living room space. Enjoy the hardwood graced flooring and the abundance of natural light. This large front bay window offers a deep shelf area, and each casement window opens for fresh flow of air. Spacious living room lends to the kitchen area. As you leave the living room, you enter into a kitchen that was modestly updated over the years and features a large island and vinyl flooring.